My name is Freedom. How to make durians by using Blender 4.2 as a 3D modeling tool. Start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. First, what you need to do is just start the Blender 4.2. Everything I will just start from beginning. Click the empty area, press A and press delete button to delete everything. Next, just add a mesh, add an icosphere. Then, this icosphere, again, add mesh, icosphere. You must see this. If you simply click at the empty area, it will disappear. So, the subdivisions, you just make it more, about 3. 3 is enough. Next, just go to the edit modes. At here, click the empty area. Press A to select everything. Then press Alt E, extrude individual faces. So just extrude in this way. Then just press Alt S. Drag it until somewhere like this. Then you can see all of this. Then you can just press S again to just make it longer if you want, as long as you feel it is fulfilled and look like a durian. Then at this moment, once you already satisfied the length, you have to just right click, merge the vertices by distance. Merge distance here, just select and type 0.01 and press enter. If not, then just press 0.1. Alright, 0.1. Now you can see all of the vertices already merged and the shape is already there. Then at this moment, just back to the object modes. Here, it is a perfect sphere. You can just rescale it in this way to just make it have some shape. Alright, something like this. Then once done already, click and go to the... Alright, you're already in object mode, that's cool. Turn on the material texture. Just go to the material, just add a new material. The base color, change it to green. And you may want it to have some darkness at here. Just make it some dark green. Alright, next, just add mesh, add a cylinder. Then press S. Move up. Then rescale it along the XY plane. Up a little bit. This one. Add the material. Base color. Go to the orange. Make it brown in this way. Now you can see this is exactly a very simple durian 3D modeling that's already done in Blender 4.2. Then of course you can just export as FBX and send it to any third-party software, or you can just direct use it in Blender. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a durian by using Blender 4.2. And that's all for today. If you love my tutorials on 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell, and so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video.